I wanna do it all with you by my side. If you're in, meet me here tonight. Be brave and come along, I'll be your ride. Promise we don't need no brake lights. We can travel the world, so just...
Good morning, day 9 of our AT thru-hike attempt. Trying to keep the sun from blinding us. It was a beautiful sunrise. Not that we could enjoy it too much.
It's cold.
Yes, very cold.
Yeah, I think the low was 22 last night. My sleeping bag, I was okay. I mean, there were times where I was a little chilled, but I did sleep with my puffy on. But if it got into the teens, I don't think my bag would keep me warm enough. I'd probably need a liner. But I slept okay, on and off like normal. And then I woke up this morning and realized that my Z-Packs Arcall 50-liter backpack, one of the carbon stays had snapped. So I'm dealing with that this morning, dealing with the cold, frozen steaks in the ground. And I think I'm speaking for everybody. Everyone had frozen steaks
Yes.
in the ground. And so we didn't even have time really for breakfast. We're just going to hike 1 mile to, I think it's called the Blue Mountain Shelter. It's 1 mile from here. And we're going to get some water, use the privy. And then I think we have three miles out to Unicoi Gap.
Yep.
And then the shuttle's going to pick us up. And then we're going to be tripping to the outfitter today.
Yes.
Michelle also needs new shoes.
Yeah, I need new shoes. Something's going on with the tongue part of my shoe. So we're going to the outfitters for a backpack and shoes.
Yeah. So I'll shoot some video on the trail and I'll get back with everybody later today. Blue Mountain Shelter, mile 50.3. Kind of wishing we pushed up to here last night. It's only a mile from where we camped. Hiker here said it was a gorgeous sunrise. Just wanted to say hello to my daughter, Emily, and her roommates, Lauren, Sam, and Nora. My daughter, Emily, is a junior at Bridgewater State University, and she's on the swim team. And they just finished their swim season. They've been watching our videos and encouraging us. And Sarah and I and Michelle just want to say we appreciate it. All right, we made it to Unicoi Gap. Shuttle should be here in about 5 minutes. It's going to be a narrow day, but that works out for us because Michelle needs new shoes and I got to do something with this backpack. I don't know what I'm going to do, but I will let everybody know. We're going to go back to the, if I didn't say it already, the Green Dragon hostel for the night, and Donna's on her way to pick us up.
To start getting ultra, I'd say like 2 through hikes, and you start seeing a little bit of wear on it. But I'd be comfortable saying 3,000-4,000 miles of this, no problem. Let's loosen up all your straps here. There it is. And you want to do your hip belt first. So give it a little lean and up on the. And I can lift that. There you go.
Knowing how to do the thing.
They look good back here. Yeah, if you pull those tight, you should be in great shape. Oh yeah.
It was a narrow day. I think we did a little less than 4 miles. We just finished having dinner at the Hiawassee Brewery. Very good, highly recommended.
Yum.
And Bill from the Green Dragon Hostel was on his way to pick us up. So, hope everyone has a great night. Tomorrow we're back on trail, and we'll see you then. Good night.
Good night.